What AI is good at in marketing may not be what you think. I've been playing with AI now for over 18 months, and I've also worked on the engineering to leverage AI well in ways that will help marketers transform their results. It's been an interesting journey, and I've learned literally a ton. And let me give you a sneak peek into just a couple of my learnings. So first, let's talk content for a moment, okay? There are literally hundreds, if not thousands of tools that leverage AI to help generate content. How many of them have you tried? I know that I've explored dozens of them. Not hundreds and not thousands, but at least dozens. And some have intrigued me with their claim of replacing your marketing team with AI. I just had to see it in this one case, give it a go. And so was disappointed with what would in no way ever replace a marketing team. Kind of boggles the mind that the claim was even made, right? So two, others just ask for a keyword and then generate an entire article they claim will be SEO optimized on that subject for that keyword. Okay, got that article. When I read it, it didn't really talk to my ideal customer or to their concerns. But if it gets ranked in search, isn't that a good thing? No. Do you want any traffic or do you want your ideal customers? Because it does matter. When I started this AI journey and was looking at how we would integrate with ChatGPT's API, we could specify the length of content to be generated. It was looking pretty interesting. But new advancements with the ChatGPT algorithm is optimized for clarity over length. So once ChatGPT thinks it has nailed it on clarity, it will go no further, whether that's in 300 words or 700 words. So far, I've never seen it currently go over 1,000 words. So I did find a tool that allowed me to generate an article. Again, asked for a keyword only, and then it had me okay an outline, and from that it generated and assembled an article. Not bad. And it allowed me to generate one article for free. And then it was $99 to generate an article, and was also not focused on my ideal customer in any way, shape, or form. So for those of us in the professional services business where we get a client and put our heads down and serve them, and then when they go away, we look up to see zero pipeline, big goose egg, it's always been a challenge to keep the content flowing, right? Content has been the big issue for so many of us, and small B2B startups, tech startups, whatever, have it no differently. There is a heavy content lift. And if you have a super optimized team, which means that people are wearing multiple hats to get it all done, how do you satisfy that content burden? Hence, all of the AI tools popping up to tell you that you can generate all the content you need. And yes, you can, but are you just creating more noise that your ideal customers have to sift through? Or are you differentiating your point of view from all of that noise? And that is the true question. I remember talking with a company that I was doing an analysis of their current marketing. And when I asked how many blog subscribers they had, they gave me a pretty good number, and then quickly followed with, but they're not in our ideal customer segment. I asked why. They said, because we were focused on SEO and what would rank. And so we grew all of our subscribers and our traffic, but that content isn't for our ideal customers. Seriously, our subscribers aren't people that would buy from us. Haha. And I just sat there going, seriously? Now you may be rolling your eyes like I'm rolling mine, yet hundreds of AI tools are spewing out content that will be optimized for SEO, yet not talk to your ideal customers. Is that a good outcome? You just got to ask yourself. So, this brings us to really exploring how we work with AI that cuts through the clutter, that provides your point of view in a powerful way, that distinguishes you from your competitors while not taking a huge portion of time that you don't have to devote to it. See, if it's not straightforward, it won't get done, right? The truly jaw-dropping potential of AI is when you start with your ideal customer profile in mind. So let's talk about ICPs. In the race to AI, their software, many tools added what they call personas. I'm thinking of Atlas and Lemlist, to name a couple, and a host of others, which amounts to allowing you to enter the sentence in about your ideal customers or target, Something like, I help CEOs of B2B tech, SaaS, and AI startups to optimize their marketing and accelerate their quality lead flow to sales. Okay, that's it. You got anything from that? So, there's one tool I looked at that allows you to enter your website URL and it will crawl it and tell you who your ideal customer is. Sounds good, right? But what if your website sucks? Or it's not optimized for your ideal customer? Or what if you have more than one ICP and your website's trying to serve all of them? Again, garbage in, garbage out. And mostly in the rush to AI their software and claim the AI connection, that's what a lot of leading software vendors have done. So let me ask you this. If there were a way to learn about your ideal customer in ways that generated ideas and pulled out your expertise right here for you, and then leveraged that, your secret sauce, and did it in a way that didn't publicly educate the AI model so that anyone could also have that perspective, would you want to find out about it? Okay, so you're in luck. I would love to hear what you have to say about it. We're having a webinar to explore and reveal the findings that we've come through and give you a sense, a taste of what might be possible if you were to learn and adopt this way of using AI to connect with your ICP. So join us live because there's not going to be any recording, so you must attend live. We may or may not have more of them, but I thought you might like exploring this to see if it might be just what you're looking for and adding sanity into this whole AI craze that seems to be upon us. Check it out.